a quick video tutorial on exactly how you guys should be accessing your online materials that you have access to through your FPU membership. I see that most everybody signed up either through the free membership or through the paid version of the Financial Peace site. But I just wanted to show you guys exactly what you should be doing in preparation for Sunday night when we get together once again on Zoom and talk about where we're at. So this is financialpeace.com. Obviously, upper right hand corner over here, you've got your sign in. This is where you'll enter your email address and password that you create when you sign up for the stuff. Pretty self-explanatory. But when you sign in, it'll take you to this home site once this thing loads. I'm on the back deck, so my Wi-Fi is somewhat limited back here. Our Wi-Fi is limited anyway, but here we go. And there's the cat in the background, so we're probably going to get Brownie barking. All right, so here we are on the home page of what you'll see on your member site. This is where you'll navigate all the tools that are available to you. Beginning here in the center of the page, you'll have a baby step tracker. You guys will probably be looking at baby step 1, seeing as how most people come into this program on quote-unquote baby step 1 that we'll learn about in the video that you'll be watching this week. This is a place that will allow you to track your progress through each step and give you tips and pointers on how to accomplish that step more effectively and efficiently. You also, though, have a lot of other cool stuff on here. Under your Learn tab, here on the left-hand side, this is where it'll take you to all of the available materials to you that you have in your membership. The Financial Peace course, which we'll be navigating through together as a group, is right here. So you click on that. It's going to take you to all 9 of the lessons. Obviously, we're going to start on 1. This will allow you to come in through here and watch the video through this site. But you'll also notice on here, just below the video, you have a link to a PDF of the lesson worksheet. This is what you need to download and either print out or just have on your computer as we go through the discussion on Sunday. This is where you'll follow along with where I am in this, on the lesson as we go through. There are also some other links over here on the side that will pertain to lesson 1, the nerd and free spirit. We talked about that the other night on our Zoom call, where you guys will kind of identify your personality type and who does what when it comes to the budget. Also has a link to EveryDollar, which I'll do a separate video on how to create an EveryDollar budget. There's also some really good online video content on this. And then an emergency fund planning document on here as well. This is pertains to baby step 1, which is that $1,000 set aside for a baby or a starter emergency fund. And then it also has a link to a financial snapshot on here. This is important too, just so that you have a 10,000-foot view of where you stand with your money as it pertains to kind of your cash on hand, your available assets, any debt that you may have or whatever. This allows you to kind of put all that to a document to have a clearer picture of where you're starting so that we know where to go or where we're going and how we're going to get there. So anyway, you guys will go in and you'll watch these videos on your own through this member site. Follow along with that lesson worksheet that we talked about down here at the bottom of the page, and then take notes as you go along and write down questions that you may have. That's the hard part of doing this remotely, is that not being in front of the class where everyone can raise their hand and one person asks a question which leads another person to go, oh, I don't understand that, or I have a question related to something else. That's the tough part. So write those down as you go along. I would encourage you to watch those videos when the kids are asleep and the dog's in the crate and you've got time to actually focus on what you're watching, because it's a little bit harder, again, when you're at home to get distracted and not really pay attention to it like we would in a classroom setting where I can put a shot collar on you and know exactly what you're up to. So anyway, on this FPU site, let me close this out. There's some other really cool things on here that you guys will have access to. On the left-hand side over here, we've got our budget tab again. It's going to link us to EveryDollar. This is just going to be a baby steps overview. This kind of tells you about all 7 of the baby steps and what they mean. You have a link to a community page, which will be a Facebook-based platform for FPU members to go on and communicate, ask questions. There's a great search function on there where you can look up topics for answers to questions you have on your own. You have a link to your class, which is our little group. a resource tab, which is particularly helpful. This will give you a lot of different tools that are available to you through your membership. And you can play with these. Emergency Fund Planner, this is kind of like that tracker that we talked about. This is just some tips and tricks to learn how to accomplish that first step or complete that first step a little bit easier. And then a debt snowball tool where you can list all of your debts from smallest to largest. We'll learn about that in lesson 1 and lesson 2 also. So you can go in there and plug all those in. It helps you track that. There's a coverage checkup for insurance stuff, which is pretty helpful for most any adult. A retirement savings planner, which helps you calculate kind of what you need to be thinking about in terms of your goals with retirement and how to get theirs. But we'll talk about that as we go through the lessons. Your financial snapshot, this is one of the first things that you'll do in lesson 1, where you kind of get that, again, that idea or that overview of where you're at with your assets and your debts, etc. A mortgage calculator, which is also interesting. This will be talked about later in lesson 7, I believe it is, in real estate. 7 or 8, where we go through lesson 8, where we go through real estate, and it kind of helps to teach you a lot about the fundamentals on how to buy a house properly, and in the way that Dave teaches it. And then there's also an investing calculator. But down at the very bottom of the page, this is kind of what I wanted to get to. You've got some really great information and tools available to you through your membership. Different budgeting forms, monthly cash flow plans. These are all in PDF format that you can print out or save to your desktop. And they're a little more in depth in terms of walking you through each of these tools that you'll use in your month-to-month budgeting and journey through this program. And then there's also some additional video and audio downloads on the bottom. You can download audio MP3 copies of all the lessons in here if you want to listen to them while you're driving or you're working out, going on a walk, doing whatever you want to do. Obviously, the format that we're using, there's a lot of flexibility in that. And then there's the Ask a Coach function on the left-hand side. This is something you have access to through your membership. You'll have the ability to ask quote-unquote professionals questions that know more about some of the things like investing in real estate than I know. You know, I know Dave's plan because we live it, and I've taught it several times, and I listen to him every day religiously. But it'll allow you to connect with a coach that knows a little bit more about certain things than we do. A live stream tab. They'll do multiple live streams over the next couple of months from Dave's office up in Nashville, and this is where you'll connect to that. Then, of course, you have a profile tab. But anyway, this is where we're, this is kind of where it all happens on this site. I just want to give you a quick overview of what's available to you on this page, because a lot of times people come in here and they want to just go through the lessons, they watch it, and they don't really explore the rest of the site because there's a lot of really, really helpful stuff on here. But I'll be putting up some more videos for you guys through this YouTube channel or through emails to the class that'll help you navigate through this stuff since we're not there one-on-one. Y'all have a good day.